Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Discord and signing in. This gets you to the interface where searches happen. Enable developer mode only if you plan to copy ID or use bots, because it reveals extra context. Next, decide what you want: specific keywords, language, region, or approximate member count. Once done, clear distractions and move to the server discovery tools: server discovery, search bar, and community directories. Make sure your account meets Discord's requirements for server discovery access before proceeding. Now use server discovery and the search bar to find servers. These tools index public communities so you'll discover active groups quickly. Start broad, then refine. Use language and topic filters, and add member count targets to avoid tiny or massive servers. Try exact phrase searches with quotes and mix keywords. This narrows results to relevant servers. If you don't see what you want, pivot to external directories or verified community listings. They can surface unlisted but public servers that match your criteria. Join a promising server and immediately read the rules and welcome channels so you understand expectations. This prevents accidental rule breaks. Evaluate activity by checking recent message timestamps, pinned posts, and whether active moderators respond. This tells you if the server is alive and well. If you can't find matches, troubleshoot by broadening keywords, trying synonyms, toggling filters, or consulting community directories and Reddit. If discovery is missing, confirm your account verification level and region settings, then retry the search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.